You're back from a business trip, your pockets are overflowing with crumpled receipts, and the looming dread of expense reports is setting in. Sound familiar? Or maybe you're a freelancer, juggling multiple projects, and the thought of tracking every little expense makes you want to hide under a desk. If you've ever felt the pain of manual expense tracking, you are not alone. We live in a world where time is precious, and frankly, nobody wants to spend hours deciphering faded receipts and manually entering data into spreadsheets. Yet, businesses and individuals alike face this challenge every single day. So, what if there was a way to reclaim those lost hours and banish the expense report blues forever? That's where Expensify comes in. It's not just another expense management tool, it's a solution designed to automate and simplify the entire process, from capturing receipts to generating reports. Think of it as your digital accountant, but one that lives in your pocket. Let's break down the core problem Expensify tackles. Traditionally, expense management is a messy, time-consuming affair. You have the receipt collection, which often involves a chaotic mix of paper and digital formats. Then, you have the data entry, manually typing in merchant names, dates, and amounts, a process ripe for errors. Finally, you have the reporting, which can be a nightmare of consolidating data and ensuring compliance with company policies. This entire process is inefficient, prone to errors, and frankly, a massive drain on productivity. Expensify addresses these issues by automating key steps. First, its SmartScan technology instantly reads and extracts information from receipts, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Just snap a photo, and Expensify does the rest. Second, it integrates with credit cards and bank accounts, automatically importing transactions and matching them to receipts. This means no more chasing down missing information or reconciling discrepancies. Third, Expensify generates customizable expense reports with just a few clicks, saving hours of manual work. But it's not just about saving time. Expensify also helps businesses maintain compliance and control spending. Its policy enforcement features ensure that employees adhere to company guidelines, while its approval workflows streamline the reimbursement process. For individuals, it provides a clear overview of spending, making it easier to track budgets and manage finances. Think about the implications. For businesses, this translates to increased efficiency, reduced errors, and improved compliance. For freelancers and individuals, it means less stress, more organization, and more time to focus on what matters most. Imagine no more piles of receipts cluttering your desk, no more late-night data entry sessions, and no more anxiety about expense reports. Expensify takes the pain out of expense management, allowing you to reclaim your time and focus on what you do best. It's about transforming a tedious, necessary task into a seamless, automated process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.